Something's trying to have a nibble at this, so I'm taking it now. It's too early, but it's going. It's too easy for squirrels, rats to jump up here and take these. Another one here, I'm just about to take that. I'll be taking a few more as well. I think I'll start taking a lot now, so I'll get back to you when I've got them all. This is the second corner fan nibbled. You can see, I think, here the damage. So that's going to get... I think I'll probably just dry this off and leave it for birds later in the year. This one. All this stuff goes in the compost. So, picked a few more, and I do an initial cleaning off like this, and basically we a bit more cleaning up, but we freeze them as is in the sheaths. So, and then you can cook them straight from frozen then, and they're beautiful. We're still eating. We've got a couple of bags left from last year. We just Ziploc bag them. Freeze them as is. Anyway, enough of that. 2024 sweet corn, because the ones that we're bagging up now will go on in the bottom of the chest freezer, and these will go back on the top. Okay, prepping these. All I do, remove all the outer sheaths, trim both ends. Leave them in the sheaths, and we'll stick it in the bag. That's all you do. And when the bag is full, it goes straight in the freezer. There's no other prep to do. So, just get this one bag done. That's about as much we can get in. Get as much of the air out as possible. And that's it, they're ready for the freezer. First batch prepared. These will go straight in the freezer that's underneath them now. And then the old ones will go on top. I've still got another batch to do. These are not even halfway through yet, but there's 22 cobs here. Alright, that's a nice one. So I'm reliably informed that when these come out of the freezer, from frozen, they go in the air fryer for 25 to 30 minutes at 190, and it cooks them perfectly. Okay, thanks for watching.